If you think Christmas money is only for big brands, designers, or influencers, this will surprise you. Right now, simple Christmas printables are quietly selling every single day on Etsy, Teachers Pay Teachers, and private stores. And most sellers don't create them from scratch. They rebrand, they upload, they profit. Today, I'm reviewing Christmas Fun Factory, a done-for-you Christmas PLR bundle that lets you sell holiday printables without design skills, writing, or tech stress. Christmas Fun Factory is simple, practical, and beginner-friendly. It's not hype, it's not complicated software. It's a ready-made Christmas product system you can launch fast and reuse every year. If you want something seasonal, easy to sell, and low risk, this is worth your attention. Christmas Fun Factory is a done-for-you Christmas PLR bundle packed with printable products you can rebrand and sell as your own. This is perfect for beginners who want their first digital product, Etsy and TPT sellers, teachers and homeschool creators, affiliate marketers who want fast seasonal income, anyone who doesn't want to design from scratch. The biggest objection it solves is simple. I don't know how to create products. With this, the products are already created. You just add your name, logo, or cover and start selling. Once you log in, everything is organized by modules. You download the files directly to your computer. Inside, you'll find Christmas games, coloring pages, worksheets, puzzles, crafts, posters, clip art, fonts, stickers, and flashcards. Each module comes ready to use. You can open them in Canva, Word, Google Docs, or upload them straight to marketplaces. No learning curve, no setup headaches. Download, rebrand, and publish. Let's talk about the upsells briefly. The front end is $9.99, which is intentionally low to get you in. After that, there are optional upgrades ranging from $17 to $27. These usually include more PLR packs, expanded rights, additional seasonal or evergreen content, business and marketing add-ons. You do not need every upgrade to make money. The front end already gives you enough to start selling. Only upgrade if you want more content or leverage. If you pick up Christmas Fun Factory through the link below, you also get exclusive bonuses that help you sell faster and smarter. Here are some of the bonuses included. Bonus 1, Keyword Research Ninja. Find buyer keywords for Etsy, Google, and YouTube. Bonus 2, WP Slideshow Master. Create high-impact slideshows for sales pages and blogs. Bonus 3, Lead Book Generator. Turn Facebook leads into email subscribers automatically. Bonus 4, WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers inside emails to increase clicks. Bonus 5, Power List Pro. Build and segment email lists using smart pop-ups. Bonus 6, Sales Page Recycler. Reuse sales pages across funnels without rebuilding. Bonus 7, Article Analyzer. Optimize content for better search traffic. Bonus 8, Pin Marketer. Automate Pinterest traffic, which works extremely well for principals. Bonus 9, Affiliate Marketing Thrive Training. Learn how to promote products properly without guesswork. Bonus 10, 100 ready-made niche blocks. Launch content sites fast for traffic and monetization. These bonuses are designed to help you get traffic, build lists, and increase conversions, not just collect files. Remember, these bonuses are only available through the link below and will be removed after the deadline. Here's the bottom line. Christmas Fun Factory works because Christmas demand is predictable. People buy every year. Teachers, parents, and homeschoolers don't stop shopping. You get full PLR rights, you keep 100% of the profit, and you can reuse these products every December. The price is low, the risk is minimal, and the bonuses are time limited. If you wait, the bonuses expire and the price can increase. Click the link below now to lock in Christmas Fun Factory and the full bonus bundle. Thanks for watching. If this review helped, like the video and subscribe for more honest product reviews. To get Christmas Fun Factory and all bonuses, click the link in the description. After purchase, you'll get instant access and download instructions on the thank you page. Don't wait. Seasonal opportunities don't come back once the season passes. Click the link below and get started today.